Sinchan is about the adventure of a 5-year-old boy named Sinchan Nohara. He was very naughty boy. This cartoon show has entertained many of us and it might be our one of the favorite cartoon. Shinchan gives us some valuable life lessons. Although he was just a 5-year-old kid, but one can learn some lessons from him. Hey guys, this is Akash and let's look at top 8 life lessons from Shinchan. Key points 1. Enjoy your life. Life is full of ups and downs. For running behind success, we have forgotten to enjoy our life, whereas Shinchan was a funny and cool guy. He never took stress of the life and he used to enjoy whatever he used to do. He used to make every difficult situation funny and enjoy the moment. Key point 2. Being a family boy. Loving your family is one of the important lessons from Shinchan. He used to love his family lot. Even though he was just 5 years old, he used to take care of him always. He always loved his mom and dad and also grandparents. He supports his family in every situation. Key points 3. Always be there for friends. In this changing world, we often forget our old friends because of meeting with new people. Shinchan's best friends were Kasama, Suzuki, Masav and Nani. He never left his friends alone. Their group name was Kasukabe Defense Group. He always loved to meet them. They always played together, even though all 4 boys didn't like playing Nani's game that they used to play. Their friendship was unbreakable. Key point 4. Laugh and make others laugh. We know that laughter is the best medicine. The unique quality of Shinchan was to make others laugh. His mischievous and funny behavior makes everyone laugh. Even the tense situation becomes easy due to his funny behavior. One can learn from this that how to use humor to create friendly environment. Key point 5. Love your pets. Shinchan used to have a dog, i.e. Shiro. He many times doesn't take Shiro for a walk and forget to feed him. But he loved Shiro unconditionally. The bonding of Shiro and Shinchan was unbreakable. Key point 6. Accept and appreciate negative criticism. Whenever someone used to mock or criticize Shinchan, he always said, Abni itna bhi kuch khas nahi. This was the way how he deals with criticism. Whenever he was criticized, he never took it personally. Key point 7. Be real you. Many of us are shy when they meet new people. Shinchan never changed his behavior. His attitude was always same. He didn't change his originality for the sake of others. We should also not change our behavior for sake of others. Just be yourself. Do not feel shy. If you want to dance, drink, play, or eat, just do it. Key point 8. Be fearless. Shinchan was a fearless kid. He used to do anything without any fear. Whenever someone used to trouble him or his friends, he used to face them without any fear. Except bell pepper and mom's anger, nothing can fear him. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for similar content. See you in next video.